the 2021 Holden Insignia. That's the unit that we installed extension kit. The girl is very weak, so she was struggling to reach the wheelchair, so we've done a 200mm closer. So as soon as it lands, it slowly takes it closer to the driver. And we end up with the Holden Insignia with the ledge pretty much just over the edge of the rear door. So that should be pretty good for her to reach. And I send it back in. So the rest is pretty much the same. So this Abiloader was in use for a year and a half or so, and the condition of the driver just wasn't good enough to operate it without an extension kit. So